Victory Headline News. I'm Vernon Wells. New COVID-19 figures from the Arkansas Department of Health shows the continuing fall of active cases and hospitalizations in the state. Health officials reported that active cases dropped by 109, bringing the current total to 1,701. Data also showed 373 new cases of the virus, raising the state's total to 827,709. The ADH data also showed that the number of patients in hospitals around the state who are positive for COVID-19 fell by 3. Bringing the current number to 213. The number of patients in ICU care dropped by 2 to 67, while the number of patients on ventilators were down by 2, sitting at 37. The ADH reported 28 COVID-attributed deaths to the latest data, pushing the state's pandemic total to 10,999. As the Russian invasion of Ukraine continues, U.S. troops are making their way to Europe, where they're being deployed to reassure NATO allies against Russian aggression, a complicated task given how Russia views NATO, as well as support a range of other requirements in the region. President Joe Biden in late February approved the deployment of 7,000 additional U.S. troops to Germany, bringing the total U.S.-based forces sent to Europe to 12,000. The International Court of Justice in The Hague on Wednesday ordered Russia to immediately suspend its war against Ukraine in a move largely seen as symbolic, with no one from the Kremlin attending or participating in the proceedings. The Ukrainian government asked the United Nations top court to take action early this month after Russia invaded Ukraine on February 24th, with no signs so far of a diplomatic breakthrough to end the fighting. Many Medicaid clients across Arkansas will soon receive phone calls from the Arkansas Department of Human Services. Representatives working to update clients' contact information so they will not miss important renewal letters in the coming months. According to a report from the Little Rock Police Department, evidence valued at $20,000 was stolen from the city's evidence lockup building on Tuesday, March 15th. An officer was performing a building check on the hangars that store evidence and found that the chain-link fence at the entrance had been cut. A large hole was found in the metal sidings of one of the newer buildings, the report said. Walmart wants to hire more than 50,000 employees by the end of April. The big box retailer said the new hires will include personal shoppers, delivery drivers, and data scientists, among others. The company will have to woo workers in a tight labor market. The Little Rock School District is narrowing down the list in their search for the next superintendent. Little Rock School Board President Greg Adams said, "It's exciting because we have the opportunity to impact the future of the district in a really positive way." The Little Rock School Board, alongside an independent firm, have been taking applications for the next superintendent since January. This has been Victory Headline News.